Welcome everybody to another episode of Sunday Cocktail Hour. This week's drink is a take on Olive Garden's classic Limoncello lemonade. So we'll go ahead and get started. First, you will need 4 ounces of lemonade. You can use a store-bought or a homemade lemonade, just whatever you would like. And we're gonna need 4 ounces of it. I've already added about a cup to maybe 2 cups of ice to my container. So that's 4 ounces. Next, you're gonna need 3 ounces of limoncello. And again, you can either use store-bought or you can use homemade. So I actually got this from a liquor store. And we need 3 ounces of limoncello. Okay, next, you will need a lemon-infused vodka. I'm using Ciroc Limonada. You guys can use whatever you like, and it's 1 ounce. You will also need a simple syrup for this recipe. I use 1/4 cup of sugar to 1/4 cup of water. Also, you need 5 teaspoons of lemon juice. And for those who have been watching me long enough, you guys know I like my drinks kind of strong. So I'm adding an additional 2 ounces of vodka to this drink. So next, we'll go ahead and get it blended up. So go ahead and give this a blend. Now this drink is really refreshing. It's one of those that's really good for like a hot summer day. It's supposed to be like a slushie. So I've already garnished my glass with a lemon slice. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour this up. And if you want it more or less slushy, you can add more or less ice. It just depends on how you like your drinks. And again, I like my drinks a little stronger, so I added extra vodka. You don't have to do that, but I'm here to tell you, when I've tried this drink in the past, it's one of those drinks where you really can't taste the vodka, and so it's one of those that might sneak up on you. So we'll go ahead and give this a taste. And to me, adding the 2 extra ounces of vodka, I can actually feel like the drink has some alcohol to it. It's very good. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know what you think. I'll see you guys next week.